I'm Brittany. I'm a 3L.
Hi, I'm Morgan. I'm a 2L. Welcome to the University of Houston Law Center Student Clinic area.
This is our clinic area, the reception, where you would have clients come in and meet with our receptionist here. Behind these doors you're gonna find our meeting area where you can meet with clients privately, also our student work area.
The clinics are a really great way to get practical experience. I've personally done the death penalty clinic, and I'm currently in the pro se clinic with Brittany. And the pro se clinic is a really great way for part-time students, especially to get practical experience because we get to work with actual clients. So it's a great way to get experience if you can't do like a summer internship. It's been really rewarding so far.
And there's other clinics too. So pro se, like Morgan mentioned, we're both in, but also we have the civil justice clinic, death penalty clinic, and many, many others. So one of my favorite things as a busy mom is that when I'm in the student work area, I can go ahead and just knock on a professor's door and say, hey, can you help me with this question real quick? Without having to schedule a meeting or having to wait long hours. They're really, really accessible, and it's a really great place to be.